Good afternoon. My name is Marivic Duran, a proud member of Siquijor Association of Food Entrepreneurs and the owner of Mavis Toasted Pastillas. Here in Siquijor Island, we welcome thousands of tourists every year. My first product venture was homemade kimchi. However, I realized that tourists look for local delicacies that represent the place they visited. Kimchi was not exactly the type of product tourists usually bring home as pasalubong. Statement of the problem. What unique food product can represent the taste of Siquijor and delight tourists at the same time? Many pasalubong products are either common, ordinary, or already available elsewhere. Solution. One day, my cousins brought some pastillas from Davao. Then I thought, what if I innovate this traditional pasalubong and turn it into something exciting? And that's how Mavis Toasted Pastillas was born. Unlike traditional pastillas that are soft all the way through, our toasted pastillas in classic ube, mango, and matcha flavors are crispy and toasted on the outside, yet chewy, creamy, and milky on the inside. Each bite delivers a unique texture and rich flavor that surprises people at first taste, while remaining perfectly balanced, not too sweet, and never nakakaumay. And here are some of our customers' feedback. Value proposition. Mavis Toasted Pastillas is more than just a sweet treat. It represents local innovation, a unique pasalubong experience, support for local entrepreneurs, and a proudly Siquijor-made delicacy. So we're selling our pastillas for 150 pesos per pack, and then we can sold 200 to 250 packs per month. So I'm displaying more products in different souvenir shops here in Siquijor as well as in a coffee shop in Guimaras. My future plans are to expand production, invest in additional baking equipment, partner with more souvenir shops and convenience stores in Siquijor, and launch additional 2 flavors, coffee and coconut. Call to action. As tourism continues to grow in Siquijor, the demand for authentic and unique local delicacies also grow. That's why I am inviting you as partners to collaborate with Maricri's food products and help bring Mavis Toasted Pastillas to more tourists in more markets. Because sometimes the best pasalubong is not just something sweet, and it's something memorable. With Mavis Toasted Pastillas, every bite is crispy, creamy, and proudly made in Siquijor. Thank you very much.